Good afternoon, dear students. So today we are going to have a lesson about organizing a paragraph, basic structure and organization strategies. So first of all, what is a paragraph? So paragraph is a group of sentences organized around a topic and main idea. And what are its main parts? So the main parts of the paragraph are topic sentence, supporting sentences, details, and concluding sentence. And how is the paragraph organized? It's organized like a sandwich. Now let's look at the example paragraph. So sandwiches are great. This is the first sentence of the paragraph and topic sentence. First supporting sentence. First of all, they are convenient to eat. And this supporting sentence has a detail. They are small, so they are easy to take with you and you don't need any utensils. Supporting sentence number 2, they are also easy to make. And details, you only need a few ingredients and you don't even need a stove. The next supporting sentences, most importantly, they are delicious. The detail, they taste good in the summer and the winter, and you can change the ingredients to suit your mood. Next time you feel hungry, make a sandwich. This is concluding sentence. This is the last sentence of the paragraph. So the main structure in any piece of writing is like this: introduction, body 1, body 2, body 3, and conclusion. So what is topic sentence? In topic sentence, we usually express what is the paragraph about. And then after the topic sentence, we explain this topic sentence. What do we mean? We give more information about the topic sentence. Then we give proof for our topic sentence, how we can specifically prove this explanation. And this can be done through more explanation, examples, and enriched evidence. Then we will explain how our evidence prove our point. And in our concluding sentence, we write what we want the reader to do or think about this information we have presented. Let's look at this example paragraph and let's analyze each part of this. So the paragraph is about interest. Interest is an essential part of a student's motivation as a topic sentence. So this is a sentence which shows what the paragraph is about. And in the next sentence, if students are not interested in their studies, they will only work to avoid punishment and failure. Here, we explain our topic sentence. We give more information about the topic sentence. Then in the next sentence, in the following sentence, we will give specific proof. How we specifically prove this. So, but we often see that students with genuine interest will push themselves beyond what is required in class. And we will explain this proof by the next sentence. They do the work because they want to, not only because they have to. And in the last sentence, in the concluding sentence, we will write what we want the reader to do or think about this information, about interest. For this reason, teachers should consider students' interest if they want to teach effectively. Let's try the next example and divide it into parts: topic sentence, supporting sentences, details. So read the following paragraph and find the topic sentence, explanation, specific proof, again explanation of the specific proof, then concluding sentence. The preservation of the Aral Sea is important not only to the people of Central Asia, but to the world as a whole. While the area directly surrounding the sea is impacted the most, areas far away are also affected. The importance of preserving this body of water is evident from the United Nations' recent establishment of an international trust fund intended to improve conditions around the Aral Sea. Such an effort shows that the Aral Sea is a global concern, not just a regional one. Hopefully, this new focus and effort will lead to great results. So now look at the organization strategies. So there are different organization strategies in writing. So one of them is time. So we use different signal words such as first, next, finally in writing essays of paragraphs. Most commonly, these linking words are used in process writing and narrative writing. For example, making samsa is easy if you follow these steps. For example, first, you will do this. Then you will do this one, etc. So the next organization strategy is space or location. Here we use different signal words such as on the left-hand side, further on, at the bottom, most often used for descriptive writing. We know that in descriptive writing, space order and location is very important, and the details as well. For example, when standing in the center of the Registan, to the far left, one can see the next organization strategy is logic. Here, a variety of signal words are used, most importantly, the first reason, another effect, and most commonly used in argumentative, cause and effect, and compare-contrast writing, among others. For example, there are several reasons why studying English is useful. The most important reason is English is an international language, and knowing English, you can study abroad. Now it's time to practice. So what are the differences and similarities between the English and Uzbek languages? What organization strategy should we use here? So will you use here compare contrast, cause and effect, or argumentative strategy, or descriptive writing? Now please look at the questions on the handout. What organization style best answers each question? Maybe there is more than one answer. What organization style is best suited to the question? So in your handouts, there are different questions and statements where you should choose organization strategies. Styles, sorry. Now, after choosing organization style, you should choose one of the questions and discuss with the group. Then, after discussing the questions with the group, you should make a brief outline of this question. So you should make up a structure of this paragraph according to the question given. So pay attention to the outline. First, you should include introduction part, where there should be thesis statement. And in thesis statement, you should answer the question in one sentence. And then comes a body paragraph. It depends on your arguments, how many body paragraphs you will have. You may have one body paragraph, 2 or 3. It depends on you. So, and in each body paragraph, you should follow the structure of a paragraph. You should follow all the details where you should include topic sentence, supporting sentences, details, and concluding sentences. And after it, you will write your conclusion. So if you have any questions, you may ask me via Telegram if you want. As a conclusion, I can say that a good paragraph should consist of from 5 to 10 sentences. And the main parts of a good paragraph are topic sentence, supporting sentences, and each supporting sentence should have its details. And details may be written through examples, through explanation or experience, and of course, concluding sentence. And any piece of writing consists of introduction, main body part, and conclusion. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.